In this video lecture, I will discuss those symbols that do not participate in derivation of any string. Okay, that is the useless symbol, and remove the useless productions from the grammar. So we should know what is useless symbol first. So a symbol can be useless if it does not appears on the right hand side of the production rule and does not take part in the derivation of any string. So if it is not taking part in the derivation of any string, or if it is not appearing in the right hand side of any production, we will say that a symbol is useless. So now we will see how to remove the useless symbol from the given context free grammar. So there are two steps for removal of useless symbol. First step is identify the non-generating symbol. So non-generating symbol means a symbol which is not generating any terminal, we can say, okay, in the given CFG, and eliminate those productions which contains non-generating symbol. So non-generating means all, if I say we have non-terminal, so all non-terminals should derive some terminal, should have some terminals for that. If it is not generating any terminal, we will say it is non-generating. So we must identify all the non-generating symbols, and we have to remove the production which contains those non-generating symbol. And then second step, we have to identify non-reachable symbol. So what is non-reachable symbol? If the symbol or the non-terminal is not reachable from the start state of the start symbol, we will say start symbol of the context free grammar, then we must eliminate those productions which contains the non-reachable symbol. So there are two things. First step, we have to identify non-generating symbol, and whichever production contains non-generating symbol, we must remove it. Second step, we need to identify non-reachable symbol. So non-reachable means if it is not reachable from the start symbol S, then it is non-reachable. Non-generating means if it is not generating any terminal. So these two things we have to identify, and whichever production contains either non-generating symbol or non-reachable symbol, we have to remove that production itself. Okay. So let's take one example. Here in this example, okay, we have three non-terminals. You can see S, A, B and X. Okay, and these are the production for S, A, B, B, X. And here we can say, okay, V is S, A, B and X, and terminal is A, B, okay, D. These are terminals. So now first step is what? We have to find the non-generating. So non-generating means if the symbol is not generating any terminal. So you can see here this A and X is directly deriving string of terminal. So A and X directly derive string of terminal A and AD. So A, capital A is deriving A, small a, and capital X is deriving AD. So this is these two are generating symbol, and if once this X is generating, S also becomes generating. Why? Because I have BX. So if I replace X by AD, I get BAD. So this S also becomes generating symbol. So S, A and X are generating, whereas B is non-generating. Why? Because see, if I say I use B to ASB in derivation of the string, next step, okay, I can replace this B by either ASB, or I can replace by BBX. This X also I can replace by AD. But what about B? This capital B somehow I have to replace by some terminal that I don't have. So that means this B, we will say B is non-generating. B is non-generating symbol. So what we have to do? Whichever production contains B, we have to remove the production itself. So here S to AB, this should be removed. Okay. So we will have only S to BX, and then A to wherever B comes, the whole production we have to remove. So BAD means this whole thing we will remove, and here we will have A to only B, S, X and A, and then this B, this whole thing we will remove. This complete production for symbol B we will remove, and then X to A, D. This ABX, it contains B, this will be removed, even this will be removed, here this will be removed, here this will be removed. Okay, so after removing non-generating symbol, this is my grammar. Next step, this is step 1. Step 2, we have to find the non-reachable symbol. So non-reachable means if it is not reachable from the start symbol. So you can see here, whenever I derive any string, okay, we will be always starting with the start symbol of the context free grammar. So I'll be always taking this grammar, I'll be considering this grammar, this production first bx, and then okay, I can replace this x by ad, but there is no way that I can reach to a from start symbol s. So that means this a is this is non-reachable from start symbol. So this is non-reachable means whichever production contains a, that has to be removed. So that means s to bx will be there and x to ad will be there. This is the grammar after removing non-reachable symbol. So this is the final grammar after removing useless symbol. So this is how we remove the useless symbol from the grammar. So there are two steps. First, find out the non-generating symbol. Second, find out non-reachable symbol. So non-generating symbol, after identifying, what we have to do, whichever production contains non-generating symbol, that production, complete production, we have to remove. And here you can see S to AB. So this complete thing it will go, and here the complete production for B will go. And then we have to find the non-reachable symbol, means if it is not reachable from the start symbol, identify it and remove the production which contains that non-reachable symbol. So hope you have understood the concept of removal of useless symbol. Thank you for